Have a nice day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Marjorie and Ragindin. I am 38 years old, married, and have a son aged 18 years old. I work as a domestic helper in Malaysia for 2 years in an Indian family with two children, aged 10 years old and a newborn baby. My work there was to clean the house, washing clothes, ironing, going to market, cooking, and taking care of their children. I also worked as a domestic helper in Singapore for 2 years in a Chinese family with three children, age 7 years old, 8 years old, and a newborn baby. My work there was to cook, clean the house, washing clothes, ironing, and car washing. Sometimes I also take the children to school and pick them up after their class. If you give me the chance to work in your family, I assure you, ma'am, sir, that I am a trustworthy, hardworking, honest, and a multitasking helper. Thank you so much, ma'am, and have a nice day.